Fusebase is a client collaboration platform that lets you build workflows that organize your team and boost client retention and satisfaction. You can streamline collaboration and internal project management with this client collaboration platform. Fusebase use cases: 1. Communicate with your team in internal workspaces to share knowledge and manage projects with ease. 2. Collaborate on branded client portals that are super user-friendly and built to deliver top-notch results. With Fusebase, you can build portals tailored to your brand identity to streamline communication, content, and project approvals. You'll get a bird's-eye view of feedback, file sharing, chats, and status updates for all of your customers. And because clients can access the platform through magic links and security codes, they don't need to register or remember any passwords. Build a white-label platform with your brand's identity for easy collaboration with your team and clients. For every workspace, you'll be able to create a portal and embed tasks, chats, and widgets from third-party services. Spice up your workspace by customizing the colors, themes, and widgets until you're satisfied with all the elements on the dashboard. Not only can you allow your clients and colleagues to make comments, but you can also lock blocks to prevent them from deleting information by accident. Change colors, choose themes, and embed widgets to customize your client portal. Fusebase also lets you create multiple portals with project and knowledge management specifically for your team. You'll be able to view all tasks, track time, and filter tasks based on employees, labels, and due dates, all on a unified dashboard. Plus, it's easy to drag and drop pages into portals and provide feedback for every element on a page. Drag and drop pages to the right folder so you can manage files. For teams and clients, with the real-time editor, you can create charts or tables with regular cells and objects like attachments, ratings, and multiple selections. Plus, you'll be able to connect Google Sheets or Google Docs and edit them without ever leaving the platform. You can also integrate with Airtable, Figma, and over 2,000 other apps for a super smooth workflow. Add comments, edit information, view tasks, and create tables using Fusebase's real-time editor. If there's anything we've learned from IKEA instructions, it's that nobody wants to follow 40 steps to build one thing. Lucky for you, Fusebase helps you create and manage simple collaborative processes with branded portals, streamlined dashboards, and a real-time editor.
Thanks for watching. Check product link in video description.